Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare Lo Mien, the Asian way. In most of the English-speaking country, Lo Mien is prepared by stir-frying, very much like Chow Mien. But in Asia, it is mixed with a specially made sauce. No stir-frying. According to the meaning of the two words, Lo means mix and Mien is noodles. So it only takes 5 to 10 minutes to prepare. Very quick meal. Let me show you how to do it. You can get a recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. First, get a pot of water. When the water starts to boil, put the dry noodle inside the water. Just like cooking pasta. And how long it takes, it all depends on the types of noodles. For this noodle, it is quite thin, so it only takes about 2 minutes. Some thicker noodles need much longer time. And always look at the packaging. It is usually stated at the back how long it needs to take until it reaches al dente. After 2 minutes, remove the noodles and transfer it to a pot of cold water, or you can rinse the noodles under tap water. This is to stop cooking immediately so that the texture of the noodle is springy. Then get some leafy vegetables like bok choy, or you can use choy sum. Put it into the water that we use to cook the noodles and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then remove the vegetables and set aside. Once the noodle has cooled down, remove it and drain. The word Lo Mien comes from two Chinese words. Lo means mix and Mien means noodles. There are a few ingredients in the sauce. First, a tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you are vegetarian, you can purchase the vegetarian type of oyster sauce. It is in fact a mushroom extract. But I'm not making vegetarian dish today, so I use the original oyster sauce. Next, light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is much more saltier than oyster sauce. So for oyster sauce, we use 1 tablespoon, and light soy sauce, we only need 1 teaspoon. That's enough. And then, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, which is not as salty as light soy sauce, but is darker in color. Then add half teaspoon of sesame oil. Just a little bit, yes. Some ground white pepper. And then a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm sure people in Asia, they do not use olive oil. Usually they use lard. But I find that, well, lard may not be really healthy, so I substitute it with olive oil. The taste may not be the same, but I think it is so much healthier. And lastly, add a tablespoon of water that we just used to boil the noodles to dilute it. This is the Lo Mien sauce that we are going to lo, that means to mix with the noodles. We put the drained noodles back into the hot water to warm it up. And then put it on a plate. Pour the Lo Mien sauce to the noodles and mix. Let the noodles absorb all the flavor of the different ingredients in the sauce. Then place the bok choy at the side And here it goes. That's how we serve the Lo Mien in Asia. And this is the typical way to serve noodles in the morning for breakfast. So you can always try this simple method, take you only 5 to 10 minutes instead of just having bread and butter every morning. If you want to switch it up, you can always add some barbecue pork. Then it will become a complete meal. If you want to know how to make the barbecue pork, we have the recipe on my channel too. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's how Lo Mien is prepared by most of the Chinese in Asia. It's different from how it cooks in most of the English-speaking countries, but it only takes 5 to 10 minutes. So give it a try. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until the next video, I'll see you again. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.